I know I want to. There's a lot of things that I'm going to be donating to. Not just the school, but I'm donating. Obviously, if the school is looking to buy that property, the things that I want to show them the company, the mom and John, for this reason, is that the future and supporting. So I'm not spending my fortune all, but I do think we have benefited greatly from Rice guidance, from the church, and the folks community there. I see what they're doing. I see the impact they're having on people. People like Corey, people like Joan Rayford, people like that we're not strong in the face, that are getting strong in the face, and we have a role in it. So for me, it's like, I do want to challenge ourselves. Yep. You can pick whatever's going inside my stuff. Yep. Just the bigger one. The bigger one, yep. Put it in that pocket, huh?
Oh, Daddy!
Yep.
I'm doing the shell collection. Of black.
I know, Kylie.
More than 30 seconds.
They're all black.
All black? Well, that'll be a different. Then all the rest is done. That'd be good.
What did you say, Daddy?
I said yes, Kylie. That sounds good.
That's not good? You think that's Daddy? That's not good?